Start.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Life Medico, and today I'm here to show you something new because I have shown you various universities in Tbilisi, Georgia, but today I'll show you the supermarket in Georgia. It's same like that of D Mart and Big Bazaar in India, and I'll show you कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या prices हैं जो आपको day to day life में requirements होती हैं like groceries and stuff. So that you can get an idea कि किस चीज़ का क्या क्या प्राइस है and you can design your budget accordingly before coming to Georgia. So in this section there are utensils, and in case you haven't carried any utensil with you, so you can find utensils which are required on daily basis, so you don't have to worry about it. Like you can see, cutleries are also available here. So it's not necessary that you have to bring everything from India. You can find each and everything here. So this is veggies and fruits section, and almost each and every vegetable is available here as same in India. And the prices are also equally reasonable, but only some vegetables and fruits are a bit expensive, but they're equally reasonable. And also you can get to see varieties of fruits and vegetables here. Fruits are a bit expensive here because they are imported from other countries, but the fruits which are grown here in Georgia are cheaper than other fruits, and you can also get to see the variety of fruits here. Like there are different varieties of oranges, apples, banana and other fruits. Like you can see यहाँ पर जो मैंगो भी मिलता है, but I don't know ये कौन सा मैंगो है. इंडिया में तो मैंने ये मैंगो नहीं देखा है, तो आई एम श्योर कि यहाँ पे मैंगोज नहीं मिलते हैं. एंड यू कैन सी ये डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ बनाना है, ब्राउन बनाना. एंड बेरीज, जो बेरीज हैं यहाँ पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो है ज़्यादातर लोग ब्रेकफास्ट में बेरीज ही प्रेफर करते हैं. यू कैन सी इट इज़ वेरी फेमस फॉर बेरीज. यहाँ के जो स्पाइसेस हैं उनमें इतना टेस्ट नहीं है, तो बेटर यू ब्रिंग योर ओन स्पाइसेस, इंडियन स्पाइसेस विद यू इफ़ यू इन केस यू वांट टू कुक बाय योर ओन. सो इट्स बेटर कि आप स्पाइसेस जो है इंडिया से ही लेकर आएँ. बाकी अवेलेबल तो यहाँ पर भी हैं, लेकिन उनमें ये टेस्ट नहीं होता है. In this section we have canned foods, but Indians जो हैं हम लोग प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं, but I am showing you this only for your knowledge. In this section we have like salt and sugar, and the main thing I want to tell you is that flour is also available here. Like you can see इस पे लिखा तो wheat flour है, but it is not wheat. It's a ये जो है ये मैदा टाइप होता है. सो इट्स मल्टीपर्पज़. यहाँ पे इसी को wheat flour बोलते हैं, बट जो हम इंडिया में यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दिस, बिकॉज ये जो है प्योर मैदा है, और यहाँ पे लिखा wheat flour ही होता है. And here you can find chocos, different varieties and different flavors of chocos. I would say for a student, this is the fuel. We students run on this because in the morning ऐसा होता है ना कि कभी कभी हमारी classes जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा early morning होती है, and we don't have time कि हम cooking करें हैं, तो we can make this quick breakfast and have it and then go to our classes. And this is where you can find each and every kind of dairy product. Here you can find different kinds of chocolates and cookies, but no one buys it until we are leaving for India, because we prefer eating desserts and baked stuff. because यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ के डेजर्ट्स जो हैं काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. So that's all for today, and I have covered almost every supermarket and grocery shop that is working 24/7, and in which you can find your day-to-day material and stuff which is required in your daily requirements. And so thank you so much for watching this video, and keep supporting Real Life Medical.